Why do 40% of car owners face a dead battery at least once a year? Let's make sure you're not one of them. First things first, check your battery. Look for any signs of corrosion or loose connections. Are the terminals corroded or loose? Corrosion can prevent the battery from delivering power to the car. Give them a clean and tighten them up. Use a mixture of baking soda and water to clean the terminals. Make sure the connections are snug. If it's still not starting, you might need a jump. A dead battery can often be revived with a jump start. Keep a set of jumper cables in your car just in case. Connect the red cable to the positive terminal and the black cable to the negative terminal. Next, listen closely when you turn the key. Hear a clicking sound? This could indicate an issue with your starter motor. That could be your starter motor. The starter motor is responsible for turning the engine over. Sometimes giving it a gentle tap can help. Use a tool to gently tap the starter motor to free it up. But remember, this is a temporary fix. Get it checked by a mechanic ASAP. Still no luck? Check your fuel gauge. It sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this is the issue. Make sure you have enough fuel in the tank. If you're low on fuel, add some gas and try again. Sometimes the fuel gauge can be faulty, so it's good to double check. Lastly, if your engine cranks but won't start, it could be a problem with your spark plugs or fuel pump. Spark plugs ignite the fuel in the engine, and a faulty fuel pump can prevent fuel from reaching the engine. These issues are best handled by a professional. So it's time to call your mechanic. A mechanic can diagnose and fix these problems efficiently. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent most of these problems. Schedule regular checkups to keep your car in top shape. Keep your battery connections clean, your fuel tank filled, and don't ignore those weird noises. Addressing small issues early can prevent bigger problems down the road. With these tips, you'll be back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more handy car tips. Safe travels!